Hi guys! Today we'll have a look at this USB 6-in-1 hub and USB-C 8-in-1 dock by UniAccessories. On my left is the hub or the 6-in-1 and on my right is the dock or the 8-in-1. What are the similarities? First, both have rubber cases that comes in colors gray and blue. It fits well, covering all the edges that protects the item to get and make a scratch. The grip is great and the cover can easily be removed too. Second, both have a 6.22 inches good quality braided nylon cable that can't be easily deformed. The best part is the cable is detachable from the USB. You can replace it if you have a longer cable, or you can just keep the one that comes in the package. Third, both have a pass-through feature. You can charge your laptop if you have this delivery wall charger and continuously work even while you're using the other ports. For the differences, first is the size and the weight. Since the hub is ideal for travelers, it is lighter and smaller. For the size, the hub is 3 by 1.5 by 0.5 inches, while the dock is 4 by 2 by 0.7 inches. For the weight, the hub is 65 grams, while the dock is 109 grams. Second, the ports. The hub or the 6-in-1 has the following: micro SD, SD, USB 3.0, USB-C power delivery, USB 3.0, and HDMI. The dock or the 8-in-1 has the following: micro SD, SD, two USB 3.0s, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and USB 2.0. Third, the dock comes in two cables, the 6.22 inches and 10.16 inches. For my personal evaluation after using it for 3 days, I must say that this is the best USB hub that I used yet. It has good quality, good design, and long lasting. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye!